Welcome back to my food series, and especially this particular series which is all about food in cinema. So today I am so inspired to share with you a particular scene from the movie Three Idiots. तो आपको वो थ्री इडियट्स वाला सीन तो याद होगा जो शर्मान जोशी जी के घर पे तीनों फ्रेंड्स जाके मम्मी शर्मान की रोटी बेल रही है।
इनकी एक्जिमा की क्रीम भी अब 55 रुपए की आती है।
जो मेरी वाली रेसिपी है वो और कुछ है और बहुत डिलिशियस है। तो चलिए, शैल वी स्टार्ट। तो यहाँ मेरे पास 2 कप्स आटा है और हम उसको नाइसली मिक्स करके रोटी बना देंगे। तो आई मस्ट एडमिट कि मैं रोटी बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं बनाती हूँ, पर जब भी मुझे ये मौका मिल जाता है और जब भी मैं रोटी बनाती हूँ तो आई जस्ट फील सो मेडिटेटिव। एक शांत सा फीलिंग आ जाता है, सुकून जैसा, because it feels so soft and pliant, exactly how we should be in life. तो आटा तो तैयार हो गया है और मैं इस लोट का 4 बराबर का हिस्सा मैं बनाने वाली हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे 4 अच्छे बड़े साइज की रोटियां चाहिए। तो हम सैनिटाइज टेबल पे थोड़ा सा आटा डाल देते ताकि हमारी रोटी स्टिक ना हो। तो मेरे रोटीज परफेक्ट राउंड तो नहीं होते, पर perfectly delicious definitely होते। And now I'm going to sek out my rotis on a flat non-stick pan. पर घर में जो आपके पास तवा की आदत है, so the tawas really make the nicest rotis. तो we want a nice hot तवा। तो जब तक मेरा पैन एकदम गर्मा गर्म हो जाए, I want to tell you when I was younger. So I think I was 12 or 13, and I made the roti on the tawa, and I can't tell you, it was so exciting because of course I had someone with me and I was not allowed to touch the tawa directly, but to see ये कच्चा आटा turn into this beautiful hue of golden brown and little burnt sides to it, and I put makhan and shakkar, and yes, that's my first memory and it's my best. तो तवा अभी hot and ready हो गया है। तो मैं पहला वाला रोटी लूँगी और जो excess आटा है हम निकाल देंगे, or else the roti gets too dry. So I'm going to shut the flame off and let the roti cool while we're going to chop some bananas. Here we are. So I love a nice, well ripened banana. It's probably my favorite fruit. So we're going to chop it into coins. There we are. The roti is cool, so it's a great time to put Nutella. So let's make this delicious Nutella and banana roti wrap. So पहले हम अच्छे से एक बीच में से just like a clock half line cut कर देते हैं. That's it. पूरी रोटी में हम न्यूटेला लगा लेते हैं. And I love anything to do with chocolate. Needless to say, Nutella does more than the job. And it's such a, ये इतना simple recipe है कि healthy है, roti है, fruit है, chocolate है. So in case Nutella is too sweet for you, you can melt dark chocolate and add dark chocolate, or any nut butter tastes fantastic in this roti wrap. Here we are. We're done. Guys, if you love Nutella, I seriously think you should press the I button right here and search for my last recipe, which was amazing. It was chocolate and Nutella caramel cups. So now we'll just fold it to a perfect half. Add bananas. So if you don't like bananas, and I really know a few people who don't like bananas, you can add any seasonal fruit. You can add mangoes, and you know what? Berries work really beautifully. They pair wonderfully well with this roti wrap. So now we can fold this here and that's. Doston, if you enjoyed this recipe, please go and hit the I button and search for my fudge jalebis, which was an Independence Day special. I promise you, not only is it fusion, but it is absolutely delicious. So my Nutella and banana roti wraps inspired by 3 Idiots is ready. I know you're going to enjoy this one. So make sure you try this at home and definitely give me a thumbs up, send me a comment. I love your feedbacks because I reply to each and every one of them. Please hit the bell notification for all my new recipes. Don't forget to like, share and comment. I look forward to seeing you soon. Stay fit, stay fine and laugh a lot. Bye.